Hello, I'm Kevin and I'm a rising senior based in Independence, Silicon Valley. And for my third milestone, I built this glove. So the way that this glove works is that I have these flex sensors attached. I reused most of the electronics for my second and first milestone. So in my second milestone, I basically built this hand, and these are connected to the servos, and I was able to make them turn with the flex sensors. Now these flex sensors are instead attached to this glove, so that when I move my fingers, the hand is able to move as well. So I actually ran into a lot of challenges when working with the hardware of this milestone. For example, when I was sewing these flex sensors onto the glove, I had to go through 3 different types of glue, including construction glue, super glue, and hot glue. I found out that hot glue worked the best because it was both sturdy and flexible. Another challenge that I faced was soldering this PCB, or printed circuit board, onto my glove. So what happened was, because these wires are in such close proximity, when I was soldering them, they ended up becoming soldered together, and I had to redo my entire circuit. Finally, the last challenge that I faced was regulating the voltage of the battery. So for my previous 2 milestones, I've been running this battery, which supplies around 8 volts, on these servos, which have a functional range of up to 7.2 volts. That finally caused one of the servos to burn out, and I went through three different components to try to fix this. First, I tried building a linear regulator, but that ultimately failed. I then went through 2 different buck converters, which are able to decrease the voltage of the battery to around 6 volts. The second one finally worked, and I'm happy that I was able to make this project work out. So thank you for listening.